It had been 4 years and 10 months since I left Minnesota for my new home in Florida. It had been about 7 years since I last spoke with my big brother Rock. I had to make an unplanned trip back to the frozen grasslands. I had been missing the snow and romanticizing about Shiva getting to play in the snow for her first time. So of course, I brought my GoPro and my DJI drone, and if you like, subscribe, and YouTube will show more people my silly videos.
And then you're totally snowblind by the...
What does it look like?
Holy crap. Hey Shiva, we ain't in Northwest Florida anymore, I'll tell you that much. This is the most beautiful part of the snow. Look at this Shiva. Look at this Shiva. Would you look at that?
We're going to see the biggest ball fight in Minnesota.
Hey Shiva, would you chill? Shiva, stop.
It's okay.
She's crazy.
Shiva, what's your smell?
Oh, the water is actually flowing. I wonder why. It's like some kind of like warm spring or something. Yeah, it's probably not toxic. Ow, don't do that. No, let go. Silly.
What's this? Is this your first time ever seeing a snowball?
Okay, now. Oh, what happened? It broke apart. Was that a pretty good walk? Mockingbird Hill Road.
I grew up in Minneapolis. The 5 years I've been in Florida is the longest I've been away since moving to Minnesota as a child.
Alright. Back in Minneapolis. What are you doing, buddy? Alright, there we go. Oh, there's the beautiful skyline of Minneapolis, Minnesota. God dang, man, look at these roads are still bad. It's gonna be a little difficult to stop. Minneapolis. The home of the Norsemen. Yeah, baby. Oh, it is. Oh, the Spring Street and the Moose. We're gonna grab a burger or something before we go to Mortimer. Oh, she was taking a poop, alright.
That's what the story is told at the top of the chain. This mine, and I can name it, it's called Shabara. There's not supposed to be one artisanal miner here, according to the consumer-facing tech companies and EV companies buying this cobalt.
Hey, look, there's Rocco's Cottage over there. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. We gotta try to get over this. Minnesota. Let's see if we can do it here. Come on. I know how. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta wait for me. I know how to do this. Come on. Come on, you ready? Alright, please don't pull me down the hill, please. Oh, look, that's where the dogs pee. Look at Shiva. Here we are in the town of Le Sueur, Minnesota. Or as Google says, Le Sueur. but it looks like it's spelled Le Sauveur. St. Anne's School. Or, yeah, St. Anne's, 1882. What time is it? 2 p.m., 2:30? It looks like the sun's about ready to go down. I mean, it's barely out. The sun hardly rises in the sky this time of year, you know? Hey, look, Shiva, come here. Look, our reflection. I wonder if they can see us. This way. Look that way. Look, it's the bar and the green mill where Uncle Rock used to hang. I say Uncle Rock because I'm talking to Shiva. And Shiva's my little baby. And Rock is my brother. Shiva, now you can pull me. Pull me up the hill. Go ahead. Ooh. Neat place. Oh, I bet this garden is lovely in the summertime up here. Man, that's one great thing about Minnesota. When springtime comes, it's like all plants just go nuts and they grow like crazy because they don't have a lot of time, you know? Hold me. Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, you're supposed to pull like you love doing. You usually pull me non-stop. Let me see. If I say stay close, you've got to stay close, okay, Shiva? That's so funny. I take you off the leash and then you don't want to go anywhere away from me. Back at the house. Should we go back to Florida now?